Got a spark of an idea? That's where every great business begins. Every world-changing company started with someone just like you. Someone who took a chance. You don't need a fancy degree or a pile of cash. What matters is passion, curiosity, and the guts to start. The world needs your unique perspective. Let's turn your idea into reality. Start by spotting problems around you or things you're passionate about. The best ideas live where your skills, interests, and what people will pay for meet. Jot down every idea, no matter how wild. Next, do some quick market research. Who would buy your product? Are others doing it? If yes, great, there's a market. Figure out how you can do it better or differently. Talk to people, ask questions, and use the internet to learn more. Now pick a name, make it memorable, easy to say, and hint at what you do. Check if the website and social handles are available. Don't overthink it, but choose something you're proud of. A strong name is your first step in building a brand. Ready? Let's move to the next step. You've got your idea, your research, and a name. Now, let's make a simple business plan. Forget the 50-page document. Your plan is your roadmap. Clear, focused, and actionable. Start with a short description. What are you selling, who's it for, and why will they buy? Outline a few marketing ideas. Social media, word of mouth, or flyers. List your startup costs, materials, equipment, website fees. Decide your pricing so you cover costs and make a profit. Set clear goals. Your first customer, your first 10, and beyond. Celebrate small wins. They build momentum. Remember, your plan will evolve as you grow. Keep it simple. Keep it flexible. This is your guide, not a rulebook. Let's talk money and legal next. Funding your business can seem daunting, but you have options. Start with your own savings. Bootstrapping gives you control. Or ask friends and family for a loan, but keep it professional with a written agreement. If needed, explore small business loans or crowdfunding to raise money and validate your idea. Now make it official. Choose a legal structure. Sole proprietorship is simple. An LLC protects your personal assets. Register your business name and get any required licenses or permits. Apply for tax IDs if needed. Don't skip these steps. They protect you and your business. There are plenty of resources to help you through the process. Handle the legal stuff early for peace of mind. Now, let's launch. Launch day is here. Whether online or in person, make it an event. Announce your opening everywhere. Social media, email, word of mouth. Your goal: get those first sales and make a splash. Deliver amazing customer service. Every customer counts. Happy customers become your best marketers. Listen to feedback and keep improving. Remember, success takes time. Stay flexible and keep learning. Celebrate wins, learn from setbacks, and keep moving forward. Your dream is closer than you think. Take that first step. The world is waiting for what you offer. If this helped, subscribe, and share with another aspiring entrepreneur. Hit the notification bell for more tips. Now go! Make it happen.